The toilet always smells fresh and stays clean. All you need is this. Cleaning the toilet is definitely among the household tasks that none of us likes to do. However, maintaining the toilet clean, germ-free, and fresh is essential for the health and well-being of the entire family, and it needs to be done regularly. So, instead of buying expensive cleaning agents and spending the entire day rubbing your toilet, we have an amazing method that you will love it. It is a homemade toilet cleaner that will neutralize the odors, eliminate the bacteria, and maintain the freshness of your toilet. How to prepare? Needed ingredients: 160 g baking soda, 60 ml lemon juice, 1/2 vinegar, 1 hydrogen peroxide, 3%, easily available at any pharmacy, 15 to 20 drops of any fragrant oil. Directions: you should mix the lemon juice and the baking soda in a small bowl. In another bowl, mix the vinegar and hydrogen peroxide. You should add this mixture in the lemon juice baking soda mixture 1 drop at a time. In the end, you can add some fragrant oil that you prefer. Take a spoon and make half ball shapes. You should place this on some parchment paper to dry. You will need 4 hours to dry these toilet fizzes, but if you have time you can leave them to dry during the night. When they are completely dry, you should store them in an airtight glass jar near the toilet. Drop a tab whenever you notice that your toilet bowl needs cleaning. You can do this 2 to 3 times.
Yeah.